In this video, I will show you how to change region or country on PS5. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my PS5 home screen. Now there's actually two ways you can go ahead and change region. The first way to do this is to come into your settings. So what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the gear icon to go ahead and go into your settings. From here, what you need to do is come down to users and accounts, and then what you want to do is go right onto account, and then what you can do is go down to where it says address and then press X. So this is going to take you across to a screen like this, and what you're going to want to do is going to ask you to sign in for security because you're changing your address. So you can either scan the QR code on screen or sign in manually. So I've actually got my phone here, so what I'm going to do is just scan this QR code here and then press the yellow PS app button at the bottom, and I'm just going to use this to sign in to my account. So on the confirmation that comes up, I'm just going to go ahead and press approve. And as you can see, what's going to happen is I'm going to press OK, and the console's going to refresh, and we're going to be taken to this screen. Now, of course, I've blurred my details out for security reasons, but what you can do is change your region or country. So you would go ahead and select your state or province, your city, and input your postcode. Once that's done, just come down and press OK to change your region. Now, the second way to do this, what I'm going to do is come back to the PS5 home screen. You want to actually do this through the PlayStation Store. So from your home screen, if you come left to the PlayStation Store and press X to go into the store, then what you need to do is come up to the top and you want to go all the way to the right to the three dots where it says more. Next, what you want to do is press X onto your controller. So on this menu that comes up, you can see an option here called Storefront Country if you just come down slightly. So what you want to do is press X on Storefront Country. What you can then do is go ahead and change your region or country. So you can see it's currently set to United Kingdom, but all you want to do is press X onto this box, and as you can see, we can go ahead and change our country to any of the ones listed, just like so. Once that's done, just come down and press confirm at the bottom. There is a quick message here which says you can browse other storefronts, but some content may be restricted. You can only make purchases from your home country storefront. However, that is how to go ahead and change region on PS5. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.